to our cat science video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there should be a video somewhere, like right, I think it's right there. Oh. Today we are going to be teaching you the basics of a chemical and physical reactions with brownie mix. This recipe takes 3 tablespoons water, half cup vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. But what I like to do is add a half cup of Rolos because it adds a little flavor. So then, I'm gonna do the, actually we should probably preheat the oven first. So this one says to preheat the oven for this size pan for 350 degrees. So, start doing that. Then I should grease the pan. And remember, always wash your hands after cracking open eggs. So now I'm adding the brownie mix. And here's where the physical reaction comes in. You start mixing it all together. Make sure it is well stirred before adding the Rolos into it. So you want to make sure there's none of the powdery stuff left. This is also a physical reaction, physical change. And you only want a half a cup of this. You don't want too many. So then I can just eat these.
You want to try to separate the Rolos as best as you can.
You want to make sure you scrape all the good stuff into the pan because you have as much brownie as you can. You want to try to smooth it out as best as possible. Make sure not to eat this stuff since it does have raw egg in it. It can make you really sick. Now here's where you want to smooth it out as best as possible, trying to even it out. Now that the oven is all we're waiting for at the moment, we're gonna take some time to clean up as best as we can. A little tip is to, when you add all the stuff together, wipe off the sides so then it doesn't burn hand so it looks nicer. So it's up to temperature. So you see right here. The physical changes that were happening while I was making that was the cutting of the Rolos and the stirring of the ingredients together. Physical change is when an object is changed it changes its color, size, shape, or form, and it can always be reversed. So that's the difference between a chemical. Chemical change cannot be reversed. Oh, smells great. Remember, always turn off the oven so don't start a fire. So here, at this moment, it is not brownie batter any longer. It is a brownie. So that's delicious. And it can't be reversed because there's no way to get all the ingredients back out of this. So that's pretty much what we have done and cooked it, and now we can't reverse cooking it. Once we baked it, it became a chemical change, since you couldn't change the object back to what it was. But a physical change is chopping it up right now. Chopping up a slice before you're gonna eat it. Boom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there should be a video. I see, it's right there. Do you see it? See it? It's right there. Oh, okay, you ready? Okay. I want to make sure it's well stirred before adding the Oreos in. No, Oreos, I hate Rolos in. I'm separating two Rolos that are connected. And here's where I'm going to explain chemical. Well, don't videotape me now. Oh, we're going. Like, what happened to the batter? It's all burnt. It's all cooked. What happened? It's like if you ate all the ingredients separately, it wouldn't be good, but if you put it all together, it tastes delicious. What a great brownie. It's really good though.